So we're going to follow this pattern from the whole of the flower art, just like the first one. You can watch my previous videos so that you can learn how I do this. Okay, and then the green part is little, as you can see here, so it should be this part is green and also this part will be green. Okay, let's just draw it like this. And now this orange color for this one and this one. So I think I should make it much. Okay, now it's looking nice. And then this part, this one is make darker as you can. Okay, the more you darker, the much it look better. It's all up to you. And then the cream color is the biggest part, just like this one and this one. So let's just try to draw it. And then this one is here also. Okay, and now the little light is here. So it's kind of looking nice, and then we're going to follow the same things, just like also here will be the green color. And then light green color. This one and also there is, see, and then we use pink color, so we're going to repeat the color pattern again, the same pattern for the coloring, and then we use the gray color. And then the red color in the last. So this is it for this part, and I'll show in the next part, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and you'll like the video, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.